Hey guys, time for a quick look at this cordless stick vacuum. As you can see, everything comes packaged really nicely. Everything has its own little compartment. We've got our step-by-step table of contents instructions right here. Just tilt that down, give you a good view of everything. We'll just pull this out. Get right into our main unit. So the bristles on here on this beater bar, really soft. So this is good for hardwood floors. Not going to scratch up your hardwood floors at all. And a nice shine to it, new vacuum shine. Oh, look at that. Comes with a charge. That's always a good thing. Just had to squeeze the trigger on that. Look at this. This is nice. Not to mess around with this. Get into the instructions. There's our charging port right there. For when it does get low, we got an extra filter. There's a charger. Not going to go too far without that. Or a plug-in, if you will. So you could use it while plugged in, too. It's like a little mounting kit for our accessories. Little brush to clean the inside. Here's the hardware to mount it to the wall. So you know where it's at all the time. And your basic attachments. We got the brush, this little thing to get in the crevices right here. There we go. Everything you need here. Really solid feel. Really nice look too. It's a masculine look for the fellas. So guys, we're going to get this all assembled and fire it up and see how it works. Thanks for checking it out.